This is what my hair looks like when I wake up in the morning. No, actually that... Actually, this is what it looks like when I wake up in the morning.
Yeah. Oh, there they go. Hey, moving on that road.
Hey guys, it's Becca here. I have another video for you today. I'm gonna show you my curly hair routine when I'm struggling. So the struggle kind of comes in because I don't have any hair products. Well, I do have some hair products, but they're like empty. I've been like such a minimalist sometimes. Like I've been trying to scrape out the last of the product, and hopefully we have enough to do this video because you know I'm all about frugality and saving money here and there when I can. So I haven't bought like hardly anything. I have a lot of hair, so I need a lot of product. It adds up. I try to be low maintenance in like every area of my life, especially my hair. I figure like curly hair, sometimes it's messy, but then sometimes it looks like a cute and carefree. So it's like, did you just roll out of bed, or are you just like a carefree, adventurous girl, you know? Like you never know with curly hair. I use that to my advantage. Sometimes I won't go out like this crazy, but sometimes I'll just like smooth down the top and like throw it in like a little bun. But today I gotta do my hair because I actually have things to do. Without further ado, let's go to my hair station. Hey guys, so I'm here at my little hair station. I have a mirror, and then I have all my products right here. I don't know if this is a lot or a little bit, but I try to be low maintenance. But by birth I am a product junkie. So I've tried to minimize this as much as I can. And then over here for the aesthetic, we have our little beach vibes. This looks like sand, Himalayan crystal, and then my friend Annie painted this for me. It's a starfish, and this is literally like our color. We're such soul sisters because we love the same color. First step is awa. We need some water. I love this spray bottle. Look at it's like a mist. Yeah. Tip numero uno. If you want your hair to retain some length, don't wet the roots because they're gonna curl up and scrunch up. What you do is just do the ends, and you keep your roots dry so they don't have shrinkage. For a long time I was using this conditioner. I basically pick up any like curly hair conditioner and I always switch it out because I don't want my hair to get used to it. Notice I got the jumbo size because you know you can never have enough conditioner. How to be a minimalist 101. Use all the product. And I use a lot. Like people say pea size or dime size, like I use a lot of product. And I saturate my hair. It's funny because my boyfriend has straight hair, and when he first saw me do my hair, he was like, you put a bunch of goop in your hair, that's too much product. I'm like, you don't even know. I do rake through my hair. I don't really use a brush when I'm gonna leave my hair down because it kind of ruins my curl pattern. So I just like gently like rake through it, and it's kind of like gross. I know some people get grossed out because there's a lot of shedding, because the curly hair, your hair when it falls out, it kind of just gets stuck in the curl until you manually take it out. If you notice the roots of my hair are still dry, so I don't really comb my fingers through the roots because then it'll get like really knotty. Knotty. Knotted. And more conditioner. And more water. Gotta look cute because we're going to Trader Joe's after this. Trader Jose's. Okay, so I think I have enough left in here for maybe 1 or 2 more times to do my hair. We'll just put that in there. Okay, and then I have this other product that I really love. It's like pretty empty. It's the Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Conditioner from Shea Moisture. Open up the lid like a true minimalist and try to get what's left out. And I think this actually might be the very last time I can use this one. I can't believe I'm doing this on the internet. The first step with the blue conditioner was just to like detangle and get the knots out and get out all the stray hairs. And then this one is more for definition because it's a thicker product. And I just smooth it, concentrating on my ends, because remember, I want to keep the length, so I'm not saturating my roots. The shape is looking good. I think we're done, guys. I think I'm gonna have to get some more Shea Moisture product. So the next step is to really define a couple pieces of curls, because I still like what curly hair looks like, kind of like messy and like carefree. Like, I think frizz is kind of sexy, honestly. So I want to still have a little bit of frizz, but it to be controlled frizz, and then some really defined pieces here and there, so you can still tell my hair is curly and not like a frizz ball. Now, I usually take out the same pieces, so right by my face, I take out some little curly tendrils, and then I just wrap them. So. I used to do my entire head like this, like curl my entire head. And it's really cute, like it's like Shirley Temple curls, but it just takes a long time. So if you see the bottom of my hair is like kind of frizzy, but the top layer is going to be pristine. One thing about curly hair, so if you live with a curly hair person, you know there's going to be hair everywhere. So just get over it now. There's literally hair all over the place. At least I have hair, right? I'm thankful. The usual things that you would complain about, you want to turn them into like positive thoughts. This is actually a new product that I got. It's Pineapple Curls by Pacifica. I love them because they're vegan, cruelty-free, and they smell amazing. And their packaging just like matches my vibe, you know? I got it because it was so pretty and it smells like pineapples. So I'm just going to use this to make my hair smell good. I mean, my hair already probably smells good because of the coconut and the Shea Moisture, but I want to smell like pineapples too. But so far I think it works pretty well. I'm not going to use a diffuser today, but if you have a hair dryer and your roots aren't already dry, what I do is I put it on the high heat and then I blow dry my roots, like almost like straightening them, but I try to blow dry my roots straight so that the shrinkage isn't as bad. So that kind of gives me a little bit more length. It's a little secret. And then if you want to dry your hair otherwise, just use a diffuser. But it's really hot outside. It's super sunny. And like I said, I'm going to go to Trader Joe's. So my hair is probably going to just air dry. But I'm going to head out. And then when I come back, I'll show you guys what my hair looks like dry.
Slowly kisses passing by the river. I've been missing your strawberry kiss. 'Cause nothing is sweet, the taste still drive me crazy. My strawberry kisses, I could fly through the wind.
Alright, so this is my hair now. I just let it air dry and it's actually like completely dry. So what I do, this is optional, but if you like bigger hair and more volume at the top, take one of these combs. And the last lady that cut my hair kind of messed up, but I do need another haircut because the shape is getting kind of weird. But you just like input it at the top and then pull it up a little bit. I like to have like that curve, you know? Whoa. Like that curve, because I think that's so cute. It's just like big poofy hair and it makes your hair look even longer. I've been cutting my hair myself. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I feel like I really need a professional haircut from like the curl doctor again to really get me fixed up. But yeah, that's my curly hair struggle routine. I'm having so much fun doing YouTube, so let me know what videos you want to see in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because it really supports my channel. Also follow me on Instagram at Rebecca Eloisa. Bye.